same scenery, same day. I'm April, She Is Creations, and if you're watching this video, that means you watched part one. I hope I did not bore you to death, but if I did, it's okay. I showed you some behind the scenes of videos that I've recorded over the last year that I did not get a chance to upload, but I still think that it was some important content for you guys to see. So I decided to just kind of do part one, part two, and these are just random videos that I picked so we can move on. So again, thank you for watching. I'm not gonna talk too much because, like I said, if you are watching this video, that means you watched the last video. And if you have not watched the last video, I'm gonna put an information card right somewhere over there to the right hand side, so you can watch it and see what we were doing before. So just let me know what you think. So sometimes it may be me talking through, like I was getting ready to start a video, telling you a little bit about behind the scenes, or it could just be a video of me showing what I'm working on to go with another video. I don't know, y'all. I just put it in there. So let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm back and we have the items on the shirt. So we're not done. If you did not know, this is a very cold peel. So if you ever ordered transfers from me or you have the machine itself, the object has to be pretty cold before you can rip it away. And in order to not pull up any of the design, so you want to make sure it's extremely cold, and it is extremely cold. So I'm just going to pull it back, and as you can see, I have nothing left on the paper. So when you marry it, the stuff only sticks to the ink, and it's not done. It's a little shiny. You have to do the second process, which is cover it and then heat press it for 15 more seconds, and your design will be good to go. But they look pretty good to be what it is. So this is a left pocket logo, same thing. It is not heat pressed the second time. My lighting in here is so bad, which is making it look dark, but it is actually very vibrant. So I'm going to turn it over and do the same exact thing, which I pulled it off, and there you have it. It just says let's connect. And if you all know, this could have been a vinyl cutout, but look how easy it was for me to just print it and put it on the back of this shirt. So I'm gonna move this out of the way so I can actually do the back of the gray shirt. I'm trying to hold the camera and do it, so give me 1 second. All right, so it's off. So it just has to be heat pressed the second time, and I have the same thing with the mask. Now, I get a lot of questions about the mask. Masks are kind of funny because, you know, when you put it on the heat press, you have these seams. So these seams makes it where it's not flat. So if you ever have a problem with your, you're pulling some of the design off with the plastic, when you pull it, it's probably because you didn't get enough pressure because of the seams. So what you probably need is a heat press pillow to push this up more than the seams, so you can actually, the heat can get to the design, because that is the key to these heat transfer sheets. You need the correct heat, temperature, and pressure. I mean, the correct temperature, pressure, and time. So if you don't have that correct cocktail, you're gonna mess up your transfers. And I get it all the time. Like, y'all just don't know how many people message me and tell me how frustrated they is with this machine and they want to throw it in the trash. I promise you, once you get your temperature, time, and pressure correct, you will never have another problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these masks off. And then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and no, they're still shiny because I have not done the second step, which is marrying them. When my team members come to work, they will do that because I'm moving on to another project. But we just have this creative branding on polos in a variety of different colors, and once they are married, it will be more pressed into the garment, and it will have a matte finish, just for a better look. But I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys just some of the before. So, and I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the final product once we do marry them. So definitely thank you guys for watching. You know, I appreciate all the comments, all the, you know, trusting in me to answer your questions, because I'm gonna be honest, like the OKI, I don't know if it's just recently popular, but you guys do ask me a lot of questions, even the ones that are frustrated with the machine, that have the machine, that just can't stand the way that it prints. I feel you. It sat up for 2 months when I first got it, just because of the learning curve. But now that I have it, I love it. It's a hit or miss, and again, it depends on what you're printing for your customers. You just have to be honest and let them know, give them wash instructions, and, you know, just tell them how to care for it, because it is different. It's not vinyl, it's not sublimation, it is white toner printer, and it sits on top of the top versus, you know, embedded in there. So, you know, it's just different. You know, it's different types of print, and you just have to be honest. You know, it's not a end all be all. Like, if you get this machine, you never have to use a different other printing method, but that is so false. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below and let me know if there's anything that you want to see, and I'll talk to you guys later. So it's printing out. Look how beautiful that looks. So again, these are going on some blue mask. So if you see how they print it out, it works for me. Alpha Gamma Winter Diamonds. So I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. So now the second sheet is printing out, and I need 16 of these, so it's 2 per sheet. So I'm going to need to print 7 more sheets of this globe if it came out right. And when I say come out right, I need to make sure the color is good, and just things like that. And so let's look. So this is how it came out. And just so you know, the design space, the optimizer doesn't do shadows. So when anything is a shadow, it comes up as like little grid lines. So if you can see here, it doesn't do transparency, just more so of a shadow. So, which is fine with me for what these are needed for. I do think that I'm going to maybe edit to fill this space up, or I may not. I just never know. Or maybe, I don't know. But for the most part, it does look good as far as setting it up. And this is what you have. And these are the matching masks. So I hope the video was helpful on how I set up my sheets. And if you are sending me some sheets, on how I set up my sheets, and if you are sending me some sheets, how to set them up or how we set them up once we get them. Like I said, I try to fill in all the white space. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will talk to you later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up for me. And thank you guys for watching. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So I did go ahead and fix it. I didn't like that, like, it cut off so much, so I just fixed it here at the top where it just blended in a little bit better than what it was, so you can see the difference. And I just kind of gave it more of an outline over here so you wouldn't have so much of this white. Totally looks the same, but just wanted to come give you guys an update that I did change it out. So we are good to go. So we're gonna print these out, and I will show you the next video. I'll show you the final project, or you probably follow me on my Instagram, they will be there. Okay, so honestly, part 2 was not as random as part 1. So part 2, I did talk about the proper way to remove heat transfer sheets from the garment, because y'all won't believe that is probably my #1 question. So once I went through that, so that was the bulk of the video, but I did add some random prints at the end, and they include vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, embroidery, and also just different heat transfer prints, just kind of so you can see the variety of what it is capable of. And I'm talking about it by being the OKI8432, the white toner printer. So I hope this was helpful. But yeah, like I said, this wasn't as random as the first one. This is really helping you properly remove the sheets, because it's important, and also how I set the sheets up, whether they're for myself or for a customer that's ordering heat transfer sheets for me. So again, thank you guys for watching. I am so tired because it's late. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave me a comment below on what I need or what I should name my community, and just any video ideas that you guys have. So I will talk to you guys later.